Marg ERP is India's top inventory and accounting company, trusted by more than 1 million businessmen, whose reach is 12,000 plus business pin codes and 750 plus districts. More than 50% of businessmen in the pharma and FMCG sectors trust them. Marg ERP introduces the Marg advertisement platform. In order to increase your business, Marg ERP has brought an advertisement platform where you can run the ads inside the Marg ERP software to grow your business. You can run the ad on the center screen and on the right side of the Marg software. This platform allows you to search for distributors and grow your network. And to boost the sales of the product, retailers can display their products, resulting in an increase in overall business performance. To run the ads on Marg ERP provides the following benefits, whether the distributors watch TV, read newspapers or magazines. But they will definitely see the Marg screen to do the business. And these ads are displayed on the screens of distributors, retailers for 8 to 10 hours daily. And these ads are displayed on the screens of more than 1 lakh distributors and over 1.25 lakh retailers who are using Marg software. You can reach distributors, retailers in any state, area, or city, and even reach them based on the PIN code. Moreover, you get a dashboard where you can view the report, that is, how many people have clicked on the ads and the number of impressions your ads have received. So, with Marg ERP's advertisement platform, the manufacturers can benefit by reaching both distributors and retailers. Because the manufacturer who is in search of distributors can reach more than 1 lakh distributors of Marg ERP by running ad on the Marg advertisement platform. And the manufacturers who have distributors but want to increase the sale of their product, they can promote their products on the Marg ad screen. Because Marg has a network of 1.25 lakhs retailers, they can reach their products to 1.25 lakhs retailers and boost their sales. For more information, visit www.ecodesecure.com and fill out this form. Our Marg ERP team will contact you during business hours. Thanks for watching.